When we look at buildings these days, we look at them as integrated things. That is, they're not done in isolation. So when we look at increasing the insulation value of, let's say, of the roof, that allows us to actually decrease the tonnage required on mechanical systems. Because we're going to automate many of the systems, the operating costs can actually be not only be monitored, but it could actually be adjusted so that we can lower the operating costs of the library in general. Lighting systems, the technology in terms of LED lighting sort of exceed the compact fluorescent pieces, so where we can afford to and where we would like to use them, we'll be using light fixtures that have 100,000 hour life, 10-year, 15-year lifespans, the right color, but also an incredible amount of energy savings, not only in the electricity they use, but also it's an amazing amount of heat that light fixtures give off. That heat actually now doesn't have, because of the lack of the generation of heat, the mechanical systems can actually be reduced. And that means that the cost of heating and air conditioning the building will also have a commensurate reduction in terms of the operating costs. With all of these studies, we're right at the cusp now where we can actually quantify that, and that sort of is our next step, is to begin to quantify both the energy use of the building, the cost to run the building, and theoretically we can estimate the operating cost savings from conventional systems to what we're proposing now. Certainly on the networking and integration of technology, as libraries begin to transform between physical resources, although those are still a big part of the library, into more technologies that are digitally based, either through readers, Kindles, video, access to internet. All of that is actually being incorporated within the library under that line item.